Hello everybody, welcome to today's episode. If you remember, I think it's like 2 videos back, there was a white Z that Ali bought from Copart, and there was damage on the quarter panel. I'll put a clip of it over here if you don't remember. But we gave that in to a friend of ours to get it fixed, and we're gonna go pick it up today. And I hope it looks good, because if you don't know, I have major damage. Not major, it wasn't as bad as that one, but I have some damage on my quarter panel too. So if it looks good and everything's fine, okay, I gotta drive off. I am going to get mine fixed as well. Damn, this is hard. Okay. It's burning hot in New Jersey. It's like 150 degrees. I'm freaking burning, and it sucks. It sucks. Why is it so hot? We'll stop for gas and a Red Bull. We have like an hour drive, 40 minutes. 40-minute drive now. Let's pick up the white Z. All right, we're here, and the Z is over there. I'm curious to see how this turned out. Was it that side?
Yeah.
No way.
That was the side. That's fucking good. Oh, this is the EP3.
Yo, that looks sick. Okay, we're about to go see it. This is the first time we're seeing it, and we didn't see any pictures, so it's the first time you and I are both seeing it. Oh my god. That looks
really good.
That looks clean. Okay.
Oh, this looks so good. I was not expecting it to look this good. I think you did a really good job.
Definitely. Just for reference, I'll put a before and after, so you can see like how it turned out.
Like really up close, I can tell certain things.
Yeah, like the paint.
Like the Bondo like marks and whatnot. But like again, this kid doesn't have a garage or anything.
Yeah.
Like touch up some spots too.
Yeah.
I didn't know there was damage there, honestly, but yeah.
This is really good, and it's like a driveway job. It's done like over there.
Picked up the side
So
here too.
that's nice.
There's like a little crack here.
What a beautiful view. When I told you earlier it's hot, it is hot. It's like 99 right now. My brother lives in Texas, and I'm telling him that it's really hot here, and it's like 95, and he wasn't fazed at all because it's like 100 something every day over there. And it's too hot to do anything except good little cleaning of your exhaust. Ali working his magic.
Stuff is the bomb.
This video was brought to you by Polishing Soap. We're now live. This is good. Okay everybody, thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know if you think that I should fix my my quarter panel. If I should fix my quarter panel or cut it and get over fenders, like 15 mil over fenders. Lowtech has them. I'll put a picture here. Let me know what you guys think, because I'm stuck in between. I don't know which one to do. Yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out. We're now live. And I'm trying to set this camera down. This is good.